mas generous?
Oh,
Oh, wala ba?
ano? I know I'm generous. I know that. But she's also generous when she wants to be.
Alam ko na. Sino ang mas malampig? Mas malampig.
Pa-letter. Kaya umalis siya noon, yung unang-una. Umalis siya, may everyday pa-letter, ganon. So hanggang sa dumating siya.
Ah, so you remember.
Yes. Wow.
Hanggang ngayon, every Mother's Day may flowers ka sa akin.
In fairness naman, hanggang
Walang mintis yun.
nagpapadala siya ng flowers.
Sino ang mas masungit?
Dalawang kamay.
Malita kwento lang.
Hanggang ngayon naman.
Yes.
She has her days. She has her. It's like sun and moon.
Kaya
It's like
kanina
night and day.
tinatanong nyo, di ba, kung okay.
Oh, sige, siya na mag-explain.
Ngayon, okay.
Sun and moon.
Baka bukas eh. Kaya nga,
Kaya nga.
Sun, Moon, and
And Jupiter,
Jupiter.
okay.
Minsan mainit ako, minsan kalmado lang, minsan happy.
Minsan happy.
So, ako to eh. Character ko lahat to.
Dito na lang tayo lagi.
Okay, next. Medyo related to. Sino ang mas sumpungin? Toyoin. Sino ang mas generous?
Oh,
Oh, wala ba?
ano? I know I'm generous. I know that. But she's also generous when she wants to be. When she wants to be. When she doesn't want to be,
Yes.
ibang storya yun.
Sino ang mas favorite ni
Ano ba yan? Favorite? Dapat ako. Sarap!